Hello, I'm Dragan Hristov. I come from Skopje, North Macedonia. I'm a fashion designer and founder of the fashion label Ludus. I started working with fashion some 20-25 years ago. I also work as a textile artist. When I saw the open call at Center Rog, which was on the theme of what can we learn from our ancestors, I have developed these techniques of natural dyeing. I saw it as a perfect opportunity to expand and evolve it here. I think that one of the most sustainable ways of working in fashion is producing timeless designs. This collection that I'm developing here is made entirely with zero waste patterns or minimum waste, which was very important to me. I use other techniques like deep dyeing, gradient dyeing, and I'm also developing a new technique which is sort of like wood block printing, but I do it with metal plates which are corroded, and I transfer this on the textile. I find it personally not very interesting to use uniform dyeing, especially when it comes to a slow brand like mine or a collection that's going to be exhibited in a center like Rog. I think experimentation is really important.